Imagine a pizza factory. It's a place of bustling activity, where the aroma of baking bread hangs heavy in the air. It all starts with simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt for the dough. Then comes the tangy tomato sauce, the gooey melted cheese, and a rainbow of toppings from pepperoni to peppers to mushrooms. These are the building blocks of millions of pizzas. These ingredients arrive at the factory in massive quantities. Flour arrives in tanker trucks like liquid and is pumped into giant storage silos. Cans of tomatoes, blocks of cheese, and mountains of fresh produce arrive daily. Every ingredient is carefully selected to ensure the perfect pizza every time. The sheer volume of ingredients is astounding, a testament to the incredible appetite for this beloved food. But the real magic happens in the process, where these simple ingredients are transformed into millions of delicious pizzas. The journey begins with the dough. In giant stainless steel mixers, flour, water, yeast, and salt come together. The mixer whirs to life, its powerful arms kneading the ingredients into a smooth, elastic dough. This process is crucial. The kneading develops the gluten in the flour, giving the dough its structure and chew. The factory uses high-speed industrial mixers to handle the massive quantities of dough required. The dough is then left to rest, allowing the yeast to work its magic. This fermentation process is what gives the dough its flavor and allows it to rise. The factory environment is carefully controlled to ensure the perfect temperature and humidity for optimal fermentation. After mixing, the dough is divided into portions by machines. Each portion is carefully weighed to ensure uniformity in size and thickness. The dough portions then go into a proofing chamber or a proofer. Inside the proofer, the dough undergoes its first rise. This warm, humid environment encourages the yeast to ferment and produce carbon dioxide, making the dough expand and develop a light and airy texture. The factory uses large, temperature-controlled proofers to ensure that all the dough rises evenly. This step is crucial for the texture of the final pizza crust. The time and temperature of the proofing process are carefully controlled to achieve the desired level of lightness and chewiness in the crust. Once proofed, the dough portions are ready to be shaped into pizza crusts. Machines press each portion into a flat disc, ensuring a consistent thickness. This ensures that every pizza cooks evenly and has the perfect crust-to-topping ratio. Some factories use specialized machines that can shape hundreds of pizza crusts per minute. Others still rely on skilled workers to hand-toss the dough, adding a touch of artisan flair to the process. Whether made by machine or by hand, the goal is the same: to create a perfectly shaped pizza crust, ready for its toppings. Now comes the fun part: adding the sauce and cheese. Automated dispensers spread a precise amount of tangy tomato sauce onto each crust, creating a flavorful base. The sauce is made in-house using a secret recipe, adding to the unique flavor profile of the factory's pizzas. Next, a cascade of shredded mozzarella cheese covers the sauce. The factory uses a special blend of mozzarella cheese designed to melt perfectly in the oven, creating that irresistible gooey texture. The combination of the tangy sauce and the creamy cheese creates a flavor base that is both familiar and comforting, the hallmark of a classic pizza. With the sauce and cheese in place, the pizzas move along the conveyor belt to the topping station. Here, a carefully choreographed dance of machinery and human hands adds a dazzling array of toppings. Automated dispensers distribute precise amounts of popular toppings like pepperoni slices, sausage crumbles, and diced vegetables. For more elaborate pizzas, skilled workers hand-place toppings with precision and care. From classic combinations to more adventurous creations, the topping station is where each pizza truly comes to life, reflecting the diverse tastes of pizza lovers everywhere. The journey culminates in a fiery inferno, the industrial oven. The pizzas glide through the oven on a conveyor belt where they're subjected to intense heat, reaching temperatures of up to 500 degrees Celsius. The high heat ensures that the crust cooks quickly and evenly, developing a crispy exterior and a soft, chewy interior. The cheese melts into a gooey, bubbling dream, while the toppings release their fragrant oils and caramelize to perfection. The factory uses state-of-the-art ovens equipped with precise temperature controls and air circulation systems to guarantee consistent, high-quality baking. Each pizza spends a specific amount of time in the oven, ensuring it emerges perfectly cooked every time. Fresh from the oven's heat, the pizzas glide out on a conveyor belt, their aroma filling the air. Large fans cool the pizzas rapidly, preventing them from becoming soggy. This crucial step helps to set the cheese and toppings, ensuring that they don't slide off when the pizza is sliced. As they cool, automated cutters slice each pizza into equal portions, ensuring consistency in every bite. Once cooled, the pizzas are quickly packaged to preserve their freshness and warmth. The entire process, from oven to box, is a carefully orchestrated ballet of speed and precision, ensuring that each pizza retains its quality and flavor. The factory's efficiency is a marvel of modern food production. Every step, from the mixing of the dough to the packaging of the finished product, is streamlined for maximum output without compromising quality. This allows the factory to produce millions of pizzas every day, meeting the demands of pizza lovers across the nation. But behind the machinery and automation lies a deep respect for the craft of pizza making. The factory employs skilled bakers, engineers, and technicians who are passionate about creating a delicious and consistent product. They understand that even in a large-scale operation, the key to a great pizza lies in the quality of the ingredients, the precision of the process, and a little bit of love baked into every bite.